Welcome to Reef Oasis Diving Center, located in the stunning Al Dana Viyaz community in the heart of Fujairah, where adventure meets tranquility beneath the waves. Whether you're a first-time snorkeler, an experienced diver, or someone looking to explore the underwater world in a more personalized way, Reef Oasis has something for everyone. We offer daily snorkeling and diving trips designed to let you explore the rich marine life of Fujairah's coastline. Our snorkeling gear is ideal for adventurers aged 5 and up, making it a great activity for the whole family. For those who want to take the next step, we offer our Tri-Dive Experience and Discovery Scuba program. It's the perfect introduction to the world of diving, even if you've never dived before. In the Tri-Dive Experience, you'll have the chance to explore the underwater world with the guidance of our professional instructors in a safe and controlled environment. For those looking to dive a little deeper, our Discovery Scuba program takes you beyond the basics, giving you a taste of what it's like to become a certified diver while discovering the beauty of the ocean. No prior experience is necessary for either program, and both are designed to make your introduction to the underwater world as easy and enjoyable as possible. For those who are ready to dive deeper, we offer a variety of recreational and technical diving courses. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned diver looking to sharpen your skills, as a 5-star PADI diving center, we can offer a range of PADI courses to suit your needs. We use modern equipment that meets the latest international safety standards. We specialize in using WingBC discs, which provide excellent control, comfort, and buoyancy underwater, so you can enjoy every moment of your dive. No matter your experience level, we ensure you are equipped with the best gear for a smooth, enjoyable dive or snorkeling adventure. At Reef Oasis, we believe in making every part of your experience as comfortable as possible. Our facilities include spacious changing rooms, lockers, toilets, and showers, so you can freshen up before or after your adventure. When you're ready to set out on your next adventure, you'll board our private boat from our dedicated pier. Designed for comfort, our boat can accommodate up to 14 guests, so you'll always feel like part of an exclusive group. Whether you prefer to relax in the shade below deck or soak up the sun on the upper deck, our boat is equipped with sunbeds and bean bags to ensure you're comfortable throughout your trip. Enjoy the stunning views of the coastline as we take you to some of the best dive sites in the region. Every trip is an opportunity to discover the incredible beauty of Fujairah's underwater world, home to an array of colorful fish and fascinating marine life. At Reef Oasis, we're more than just a diving center, we're a community. We pride ourselves on creating a friendly, welcoming environment where every guest feels like part of the family. Whether you're here for a quick snorkeling trip or an immersive diving experience, Reef Oasis Diving Center is your gateway to unforgettable memories in Fujairah. Come dive with us and experience the wonders of the ocean like never before. Book your adventure today at Reef Oasis Diving Center in Fujairah.